Hello, modern language students. I want to take a second and review the vocabulary with you that we are working on right now, especially these first three phrases. So we're going to start there. The first phrase is buenos dias, buenas tardes, and buenas noches. I noticed, I think some of you are having a difficult time with some of those phrases there, so I just wanted to review them. I'm going to go over the rest of the list again because I want you to hear these words pronounced again in Spanish. So please follow along with me. Hola, adios, chao, hasta luego, mucho gusto, igualmente. ¿Cómo se llama usted? Me llamo. ¿De dónde es usted? Soy de. ¿Cómo está usted? Estoy fantástico, muy bien, más o menos, muy mal, enojado, cansado, enfermo. ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? Tengo años. ¿Cuándo es su cumpleaños? Mi cumpleaños es el de. ¿Y usted? Yo también lo siento. All right, for today, I'm going to pull up today's activity. You guys are going to find this underneath the eLearning Spanish module. I have also linked it underneath this video. You can also find this underneath files. So there's several places you guys can find this document. This document is called Spanish Conversation Partners 2020. For your instructions, this is your activity for today. If you're able, if there's someone else in your home willing to do this with you, practice saying these conversations in Spanish. One of you would take the spot of partner A over here on the left. The other person would be partner B over here on the right. You're going to say these conversations out loud. Again, if you have someone who's willing to practice with you. Partner A goes first. So partner A speaks first. They say hola. Partner B responds by saying buenos dias. Then partner A responds with ¿Cómo se llama usted? And then so on. So I would like for you to practice saying these in Spanish. If you don't have anyone around, maybe you can just practice yourself. Just practice trying to say these words in Spanish. Now, if you get stuck on something and you don't know how to pronounce it, you have a tool that you can use. You can go back and reference your vocabulary list because in the center of your vocabulary list, you have that pronunciation guide. You can also go back and watch this video again or the video from Friday of last week where I said these words in Spanish for you. Please do not stress out about saying these words correctly. This is just practice. I just want you to try with Spanish. This is really hard doing this online. Online is not the ideal way to learn another language because I can't have a conversation with you and give you feedback in person like I would love to be able to do if we were in class like normal. After you have said these conversations, there's actually two on this page. After you've said these out loud, you're going to go back and answer these questions underneath them in English. You can just give me short answers. You don't have to give me complete sentences. Please type your answers. It can be really difficult for me to read if you have written your answers on the screen. I really prefer that you type them. I am going to go through and say these conversations for you just so you can also hear me say them and you can reference that as well when you are practicing. So I'm going to go through conversation number 1 and then I will go through conversation number 2. All right, so conversation number 1, starting off right here. And I'll make my cursor go back and forth so you can follow along with me, hopefully easier. All right, hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo se llama usted? Me llamo Carlos. ¿Y usted? Me llamo Sara. Mucho gusto. Igualmente. ¿De dónde es usted? Soy de México. ¿Y usted? Soy de Chicago. ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? Tengo 15 años. ¿Y usted? Tengo 13 años. Ciao, Sara. Adios, Carlos. All right, so then you would go through and answer these questions after you've said this conversation out loud. The second conversation, buenas tardes. Hola. ¿Cómo se llama usted? Me llamo María. ¿Y usted? Me llamo Felipe. Mucho gusto. Igualmente. ¿Cuándo es su cumpleaños? Mi cumpleaños es el 24 de noviembre. ¿Y usted? Mi cumpleaños es el 1 de enero. ¿Cómo está usted? Estoy enferma. ¿Y usted? Lo siento. Estoy muy bien. Adios, María. Ciao, Felipe. All right, and then you would answer these three questions after. I am going to give you guys a hint for number 2 on this one. This is something that I have left off of your list. I forgot when I modified it for e-learning. Primero right here means first. So when you are wanting to say the first in Spanish, for example, if my birthday was the 1st of April, I would say mi cumpleaños es el 1 de abril. You would never say es el uno. You just wouldn't say that in Spanish. We don't say it in English either. I would never say my birthday is the 1 of April. So you need to use the word for first, which is primero. So that will help you with your answer for number 2. Now, again, you are going to say these 2 conversations out loud in Spanish with a partner, if you can find one at home who's willing to try with you. If not, you can say it on your own. You don't have to record it. This is just kind of on the honor system here. Then you are going to answer these 3 questions down below each conversation. So download it or screenshot the PDF so that you can mark and type on it. Please type your answers. When you are finished typing your answers, screenshot your entire page, and then you are going to upload this into Canvas. And the assignment will be titled Spanish Conversation Partners. I will also link to the assignment underneath this video as well. As always, if you guys have any questions, please let me know.